Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna talk about very important integration using which you can scrape emails of businesses based upon your search criteria. Okay. For example, let's say if I want to scrape emails of all the real estate near me, I can use this simple integration and it will scrape emails of those businesses. uh, Only condition is that the businesses should provide their email address on their websites. So if they provide their email address on their website, then we can use this integration to scrape those emails, and very quickly you can scrape multiple emails, and you can use that emails in your marketing campaign or further like sending them offer or anything like that. So let's see how to implement this. So as you can see here, I have built this integration here, and I will give you the JSON file of this integration as well, so you can install you can use this integration with in your Make account. Okay. And to start with this integration, what I have did is basically I have created this Google Sheet, and here we have uh, two sheets. One is Google Map link and another one is CRM. So in Google Map link, what you need to put the Google Map search URL. Okay, for example here I have searched all the real estates in near me, and it gave me this result. Okay, so now you just need to copy this URL, and you just need to put it here uh, in this like first row, second row, and then for now it's done. So I was testing, so I will remove this. I will make it blank. So you just need to put the map URL here, and then you can create this integration, or you can schedule this integration, let's say, to run after every hour. So what it will do is it will check a new it will check for new Google Map link, and when you add it, it will process the data, and then it will scrape the data. It will add the website URL here and the scraped email here. Okay. So now let's see like so now let's discuss on this integration, like what we are doing here. So this module, what it does basically, it searches for any new Google Map URL added. Okay. And as soon as you add it here, the automation will pick it up, and then it goes through this route. And what it does basically, it changes this status. It changes this status, scraping status from nothing to in progress, so that you know that yep, the scraping is going on. And once scraping is completed, it changes the status from in progress to done. Okay. Then using this HTTP request, what we do is like we scrape all of these businesses. Okay. So after scraping the businesses, we get like lots of garbage, and then that's why like we are using this text parser. So what it does basically, from this garbage which we got from our website, it scrapes the website URL. Okay. And then basically, like you can see here, like we have multiple businesses, so it just scrapes all of those website URLs, and it just aggregates it into one single text, so that we can further process it. Then the text which we are getting from here, we have just added deduplicate, so that let's say if we get two same website URL, then deduplicate will remove the duplicate one and just keep one. Okay. Now then again, after getting the website URL, using this module, we we scrape the data of the website's home page. Okay. and this gives us an HTML format. Then this HTML data we feed into text parser, and this text parser basically it scrapes any link present on their uh, on the website's header. Okay, because mostly what happens is, like, if I show you here, let's just open this website, the website of this business. So I think they do not have a website. So yep, here this one has a website. So if you see here, all the websites, they have this header, and mostly the emails are present in the contact us page. Okay, right now for this website, there is no email, but mostly what happens is, like, businesses put their emails on the contact us page. So what this this module does is basically it takes the header URLs. Okay, and then we feed that header URL into this module, and this basically extract the HTML content of contact us page. Okay, and once we get the data of contact us page, we are again using a text parser. And what text parser does is basically it scrapes or it extracts the email address present on that page, and voila, we got the email. Now we just search, or we just add this data, like website URL and email address, into the CRM sheet. Okay, so let me just run it for let's just run it and check. So if you see, it's running now. If I refresh this page, so let me just stop it again and do it again. So I'll do this. So if you see, it updated the status from empty to in progress. That means, like, integration is running right now. Okay, and if you see here, it started scraping the email addresses, uh, and we can also go to the website. So this is the website, and here they have the contact us page, and on contact us page they have this email address. So it scraped the correct email. Now the second one came in. Let's just verify this as well. So here in contact us, so yeah, let's yep, it's loading, taking a lot more time. Let's just move ahead. So as you can see, very easily we can scrape the emails now. Based upon, based upon area, you can just create this URL, and just you can just add these URLs here in the website column, sorry, here in the Google Map link column, based upon different area, or different, based upon basically different area, and automation will process those, and it will scrape those emails, and it will add it here. So this way, you can basically scrape emails for any organization, or for any businesses. uh, So thank you for watching this video. I will provide one Google form link in the description, uh, which you can fill if you want the JSON of this integration. And as soon as you fill that Google form, we will send you the JSON, for the JSON file of this scenario via email to you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.